Welcome to Mojo Handicrafts, and in this beautiful weather, I would like to invite my very close and very old friend of my school days, all the way from New Jersey, who has recently done a beautiful makeover of her room. So, over to you, Minakshi.
So this room of my house was almost used like a storeroom for past 1 year. But now I decided to transform it into my vanity come study room.
Okay.
So I've painted the opposite walls pink and I wanted the other two to be grayish blue. At present it's in a pathetic condition and let's see what it turns out to be.
What are you planning here?
Trying to put a faux carpet
Okay.
because my actual carpet is in a real bad state. I feel so happy as this room is shaping up. These are such awesome curtains.
Wow.
Look at this house.
Really beautiful, yeah.
Oh my god. Let me introduce you to my office cum vanity. I've been working on it from past 3 months now. So that's the entrance. On top of the door, I have a little storage space. And then as we enter, I have these drawers, the crystal lamp and little shelves on top. This basket has my clothes, my cushion and the plush blanket. Now that's the closet which I've covered with pink curtains because the color of the closet is brown, and as you can make out, the theme of my room is pink and gray, so I wanted to somehow cover that
yeah.
brown. So all my pink house shoes
Wow.
or slippers are here, and these are my chest of drawers. This ottoman also has a little storage space, and this is most of my pink purse
Lovely.
collection because it's my vanity tube. So this side of my room is my vanity. As you can make out, the pink and gray. And let me take you around.
Awesome. Can you open the cupboard, please? Here. Wow. Beautiful.
And that's my coffee station. And that area is my little cart, coffee cart, and some mugs because it is also my office. So here it is.
Beautiful.
So the table is not formal as yet because I need a tabletop, and also the display on top has to be done. But this is how it looks. And my son's made it super high tech. Let me show you. Alexa, turn off the light show.
Wow.
And that's my office. That's my vanity. And it looks amazing. I sit here, I meditate, I spend most of my time in this room. And because it is winter time, I really love it. Alexa, turn on the light show.
Awesome.
So these two small little ottomans are not only for the visitors to sit on, but they also have little storage. And this is my chair, and that's the complete look. So because it is fall and also Halloween season, so I have a pink pumpkin, trick or treat candle, and soon it will be decorated with Christmas stuff. But this is how my vanity cum office looks like. Worth all the efforts I took. And super, super, super thanks to my husband who's really helped me make it worth it. He's really helped me.
Okay, guys, now let me show you some beautiful clippings of her room, which I think in video you must have just missed out few sides of the rooms. And this is the full room she has done. And first of all, I would like to give her say thanks to her, and Meenakshi, you and your husband really need a big round of applause from all of us. You have done a wonderful job, and the room really looks like a dream room, you know. I feel whenever I see these pictures, I feel that I'm watching a Bollywood movie, or I'm still dreaming. Like, you know, I love your collection of slippers and your collection of purses, and the best theme you have taken, pink and gray. It gels so well with your room, that it's really highlighting the whole decoration you have done. These beautiful eyes which you have stuck on the wall look so pretty, just like your own eyes. And I love the curtains. These glittery curtains are so pretty. I love your cup collections, and I love everything. Those eyes which you have stuck on the wall are exactly the impressive eyes which you have. So that reminds me of your beautiful eyes. And let me also share one more thing, that all these collections she has displayed, she has been collecting it from all over the world, and she is very fond of shopping. Let me show you her craft room. This is her craft room, and here also she has just taken some color combinations, and as per that only she has done the decoration. The base is white, but craft room cannot be of one color. It has to be of multicolor. So that is why she has just taken the base color as brown and white. So I love the quotations you have kept in your room in a framed pattern. That is just beautiful. You are a very creative person, Meenakshi, and stay blessed for all the work you do. And I'm really very happy in sharing all the pictures which you have sent across all the way from New Jersey. And I'm sure someone might pick up few ideas from your room and would like to decorate their own house or room. Till then, take care of yourself. And if you have not subscribed for my channel, do subscribe, and let me know in the comment box if you have liked something particular. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care.